Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send text messages without showing number. So I will be on iOS device and make sure you will have, and I will be just move in the journal settings, and in journal settings you will just find these messages. I will just open it and here is the option you will see iMessage. So make sure you will just turn it on this option on your mobile device, and the second option is send and receive. So I will just tap on it simply. So right now I will be just selected my phone number and my email address, but in the second option you will see the start new conversation form. So I will just selected this email address. If you just selected your mobile number, so you will be just switch into like email address. Now when you just send some messages on your like friend or any of when you know, so it will be just receiving without showing your number. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.